cutting about a 10-pounder.
A 10-pounder?
A 10-pounder. This tree is extremely heavy. It's a 10-pounder. Barely can be lifted up from the ground. As you can see, he's using a chainsaw. He calls it a chainsaw, but it's a foam saw.
A foam saw.
Foam saw. I need to speak the truth here. I'm sorry. I need to say the truth. The 10-pounder. It's a foam saw, but we're just acting it out. So please enjoy. In your mind, think of it really heavy. Okay.
Okay.
Think of it really heavy. So enjoy. Thank you very much.
Are you sad? Do you get stressed? Are you tired of being unpopular? Don't worry, the answers to your problem are in this little bottle. Miracle Cream. With Miracle Cream, you will be an instant success. Hollywood will be laughing at your security.
Are we on the air?
Yes, we are.
We've got another tree right over here made of foam tacular this time. It's a bit stronger, a bit heftier. The other one, as you would have seen, was 10 pounds. 10 pounds. This one is a bit more high quality.
Okay.
I'm glad to present the official 15-pounder.
Wow.
All right, 15-pounder. This is the new trending thing. It's famous now. We're getting a lot of money for it. You would like to come a bit closer over here. The man who's chopping it has his typical foam saw.
Foam saw.
These are made of a bit heftier foam, a stronger cardboard. Cardboard. Can we get a round of applause?
Hey! Hey!
So here it is. The official 15-pounder cardboard tree. Enjoy. Thank you.
Beam glass. Cut wood. Cut metal. Blow stuff up. You can't be more cool than beam glass.
As you see right now, we have successfully shot the 15-pounder cardboard tree with the one and only, you know what I'm going to say, foam chainsaw. This foam chainsaw, you can get it on Amazon, eBay, Walmart, all those things. All those things. Toys R Us, if they were still open, you could get it on Toys R Us. $99.99. $6.99. You can get it on anytime, any day. Successful, really long, 15-pounder, and enjoy while we have to transfer this 15-pounder.
Okay.
I'll see you on the next one. About the earthquake.
Super Run.
Hi, I'm the CEO of Footwear Extraordinaire, and I'm here to present to you our latest product, Super Run. Shoes that will make you run faster than any man alive. And here beside me is the man to prove it. But I just have one thing to ask of you before we start. Don't blink. Are you ready, faithful customer? On my mark. 1, 2, 3, mark! What? I thought we fixed that. Stop shooting! Stop shooting!
And so concludes our promotional video of the foam chainsaw and the 15-pounders and 10-pounders and all the work we've done. Each of these stumps, get a good look on them, make sure you get focused. Each of these stumps are about 1-pounders, 1-pounders, half a pound, 75th of a pound. And well, we're really proud that we're sponsoring all of this. And make sure you buy it. Click on this. I'm gonna put the link right here. Click on this, and then you'll be able to buy that that awesomest, best, no doubt, worth your time, worth your money, $99.99 foam chainsaw. And have a nice day. I'm telling you, this is worth it. Make sure you pick it up, click the link, and get the best of the best foam chainsaw. This is no joke. This is the truth. Over and out. Oh man. We're not buying that, okay? We're not sponsoring this crap. This was ridiculous. All of these were not 1-pounders. Are you kidding me? These were real trees.
We're still shooting.
I quit.